Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My throat hurts a little right now, so I'm being quiet. But yeah, today I'm going to be like eating raw eggs and with my friend, and my friend's gonna throw a raw egg at me. Rules are no nuts and no privates and no face. So yeah, I'm going to pick them up right now. We're going to do 3 eggs, 1 for me to drink, 1 for him to drink, and 1 for him to throw at me. So let's go pick him up. I'm going to pick up Ryan, Dad. So yeah, let's get right to it. I might have to cover up the lenses while I talk to him. You're still going to hear though. He might not be home. I will see you guys later. Actually, no. Right now, I'm not even close to his house, so I'm close. Yeah, he's not home right now. No, he's not home. So I guess I'll be just drinking the raw eggs by myself. Or 1 raw egg actually, because if we're gonna do 3, we need him, so. So yeah, let me go pick up the egg. Almost dropped the phone. Yo, Ryan wasn't home, Dad. Ryan wasn't home. Yeah, Dad. We're doing the raw egg challenge. What? It's for entertainment. I'm only gonna do 1, but I was only gonna do 1. I'm at 3, but Ryan's not here because 1 he was gonna throw it at me. 1 he was gonna throw at me. 1 he was gonna drink, and 1 I was gonna drink, but I'm only having 1. Come on, split open. Ew. Shot glass full of raw egg. Oh God. There we go, guys. You can see the raw egg. Little battery sign popped up. Oh, there's like stuff in there. Okay, guys, warning, just don't try this at home, please. And, yeah. Another warning, there is gonna be puking and gagging. So you can clearly see the raw egg. right there. Hang on, can you guys? Yeah, you guys can see it. Move the chair. I'm scared. Oh crap! Ooze. Ew! There's like a big snot. That was my big snot. No. Forgot the water. Just pick that up. Ugh. Why is egg so hard? It's like a snot. Big, huge snot. Hang on, let me get water. I'm back. Come on. Well, I'm excited today. Very, very, very excited. Oh, egg. Bottom up. 3, 2, 1. Yeah. Right away. Don't like it. Not a big fan. Look at that egg. I threw it up. Oh, don't be dumb. Don't be dumb. Well, guess I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't be dumb, please. Don't be dumb. Peace.